Now see the MusicGlove main menu screen appear. Select Play Game to go to the Game Options screen. On the left side of the screen, select the specific grips you would like to train. You may select up to 5 grip types. Select Songs to view individual songs from the list, or Session to view the session selections. Select any session or song on the list under the desired difficulty to start the game. We recommend starting with a 15-minute session found under the Easy header. In the game screen, you must make the appropriate grip when the colored dot passes through the respective circle on the bottom of the screen. When you see a note with a tail, you must hold the appropriate grip for the duration of the tail. Start by focusing on a single grip until you're able to hit at least 50% of the notes for that grip. Do not be discouraged if you're only able to hit a few notes per song. As you continue practicing, your performance will improve. Press the spacebar to pause the game. In this menu, you can restart the song or end the song early. After a song has completed, your performance for each individual grip and total performance is displayed. Select Play Again to repeat the previous song. After you play the song twice, gray bars will appear representing your performance on the previous try, and you will be able to select Next Song to go to the next song in the playlist. The clock in the top right corner displays the time remaining in the session. Select End Session to bring up a summary screen that shows the cumulative performance for the current session. When you finish your session, select Analytics in the main menu screen. The Analytics screen lets you track your progress over time. Select the tabs on top to change the metric displayed on the graph. You can view the amount of time you have spent playing songs, the total number of notes hit correctly, and the percentage of notes hit correctly out of the total number of notes presented. You can also view trends grouped over time. On the right-hand side, you will see the Options panel. Here you can see specific trends for a specific grip or song. Select Quit to exit the game, or press Escape on your keyboard. We encourage you to read through the user's guide for additional information. If you have any questions or concerns,